Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we are going to discuss our thumbnail topic, the India's first Kamikaze drone. We will cover in this video that what is this Kamikaze drones and where this term and what is the meaning of this term called Kamikaze and the Kamikaze drones of the other countries. So let's start the session. So India recently launched their first Kamikaze drone, first Swadeshi made, indigenously made Kamikaze drone, and with the range of 1,000 kilometer, and this is very big, and so this with the range of 100 kilometers. So this is the design of the Swadeshi's Kamikaze drone, which is shared by NAL, and we will see that where this term called Kamikaze is come from. This these are the Kamikaze pilots. So the Kamikaze drones are the drones which is a type of drone which is used for destroying the radar and the group of the army or the soldiers with the it crashing towards the enemy or radar with the warhead and the explosives, and it is very small in size, which makes this kamikaze drone is not detectable by radar. So these are the kamikaze pilots, this is the Japanese term. Kamikaze is the Japanese term which is used which is used in the kamikaze means the god's wind, and these are the kamikaze pilots. These kamikaze pilots crashing towards the aircraft carriers or wherever they seize the enemy's movement. They just crash with their plane towards the enemies, and it is also called do and die attack. These are actually very small unmanned aircraft packed with the explosives that can be flown directly at the troops or the group of targets that can explode easily. Like I already told you that like radar system or the systems like Iron Dome, even the Iran attacked on the Israel's Iron Dome with these kamikaze drones. So these are the kamikaze pilots which are going towards the suicidal mission. I already told you that it is firstly used by the Japanese kamikaze pilot. These pilots conducted a suicide attacks and crashing their aircraft contains more explosive. These are the kamikaze pilots, and the it slowly move towards the target, and radar detect the kamikaze drone as a bird, and it has a very less wingspan. It has a wingspan of 2.5 meter, and radar is not detect this, and it slowly move towards the target with the speed of 100 kilometers or 180 kilometers, and slowly moving towards the target, it crash on the radar system on the enemy system with the warhead, and with this we can done more damage to the enemies with very less amount because it is very cheaper. It is less in size, it can easily store anywhere, and it is very very less in size as compared to other aircrafts, and it only lead and it do not need any crew like kamikaze pilots. It only lead it is UAV, although it is a UAV. So this is the first Swadeshi Kamikaze pilot. India already made a Kamikaze drone, but it has very less tendency, the Nagastra one. So this is made by the National Aerospace Laboratories, and they showcase their they showcase their Kamikaze drone design on the occasion of the 15th August on the Independence Day, and it is already called the do and the die because it is on the suicidal attacks. It cannot return like other drones or other aircrafts. It just a launch crash on the target, crash on the target, and then destroy the target with the warhead and the explosive. It can fly up to 100 km and it can carry up to 25 kg of the explosives. And it has a maximum speed of the 180 km per hour with the range of the 1000 km. And Dr. Abhay Palishkar, head of National Aerospace Laboratories, that India is developing these fully indigenous kamikaze drones and they are game changing 25th century new age of war machine. And drone is 2.8-meter long with the wingspan of 3.5 meters and the weight of 120 kgs and 25 kg explosives. And drone has a 30 horsepower vehicle engine which is made by the Swadeshi method, by the National Aerospace Laboratories, and it fly up to 1000 kilometers with the maximum speed of 180 kilometer per hour. These are the Kamikaze drone of the Iran. Iran and the Russia made the Kamikaze drones, and they also show their and these kamikaze show also show their capabilities in the war. Russia also used these kamikaze drone in the Russia-Ukraine war, and Israel also launched their attack on the Iran also launched their attack on the Iran with the help of these kamikaze drones. As you can see, these drones are very small in size and it is hardly detectable by any radar. So we will discuss the the best version of the Russia and the Iran's drone, this kamikaze drone, and it is very less in size, very less. His name is Hesa Shahid or Geran 2 in Russia. So this is made by the jointly by Iran and the Russia, like the Russia and the India working on the BrahMos missile. This is the joint. This is designed by the Russia and made by the Iran, and it has a maximum speed of the 185 km per hour and wingspan of 2.5 meters, and the warhead capacity is very high, 50 to 30 kg. Suppose if with this warhead it can crash on a radar or any residential area of the army or the cantonment area. So this has a maximum range up to 2500 kilometers. So this is the new modern era weapons or the drones which is used by the Iran on Israel. Hessa Shahid or Geran 2. This is the Iron Dome. Iron Domes where the all the missiles of the Iron Dome is launched. This this is where this Kamikaze drone is crashed towards this, and this already has explosives. So with 25 kilograms or the 50 kgs explosive, it can explode more. And the Iron Dome is fail to detect this kamikaze drone because it can read it as a bird. So I hope you like this session. Thank you.